Good afternoon, this is Brent Crandall at the Blind Depot. We are out here at Cafe Escondido today. We've been installing a couple of things this morning from MotionScreen. This patio is very open, as you can see. Before, it had outdoor drapes that were canvas, and they matched the color of that awning, and they weren't the prettiest things in the world. So what we've been doing out here for the last couple of days is actually re-screening this, and we're using these product from MotionScreens. Now this is the vinyl screen material, and what it allows us to do is get this decorative piece of vinyl here. It also allows us to get a clear window, which is a very cool application. So from the outside now, it's a pretty windy day today, as you can probably hear. But what we don't have is a lot of it'll allow them to use this patio without getting a lot of stuff blown into it. So if we go on the inside here, I'll show you a couple of things. Walk around here to the inside. So now my wind noise is practically zero. Got a couple people talking behind me, we got the music blaring, but I can now enjoy this space. We brought the clear windows right about to the line of the furniture, and they're going to set this place up for dining. But it's a really nice application, so we don't have the wind. We can now heat and air condition this space. We did not cover that door right there. That is the entry point, but we're able to cover everything else. And it's a blue color that actually matches the door right there. So if you'd like to come out here and see this work, it's free to open to the public as long as you buy lunch or dinner. It's Preston and Royal, so formerly tornado ravaged area. We are on the southwest quadrant, so please come out to Cafe Escondido, enjoy some really good food. We've eaten here for the last couple of days, and sit on the patio. You might actually enjoy yourself. So if you'd like us to do something like this for your home, we can do that as well. Our number is 972-644-9411. You can also reach us on our website at blinddepotdfw.com. And again, if you don't know what the DFW stands for, then you are probably out of our service area. We're going to finish off this installation, and we're going to take off, and y'all have a great day. Thank you very much.